I just wanted to show how I hold my crochet hook in my hand, and this is just how I crochet. There's different methods that you can use for crocheting, and each person has their own unique way. Some of them, I believe, hold their crochet hook like this, which to me is very awkward. But again, there's no right or wrong way. It's whatever you're comfortable doing. But I just wanted to show you how I hold my crochet hook and how I crochet. The other thing that I do, which I think is unusual, is I like to bend my finger. So I've had some critics say things about me bending my finger, but that's how I crochet, and I love how quickly I can crochet using this method. So if you like this method, then you can try it. But I hold my crochet hook with the 4 fingers in the back and then my thumb on the little portion, which I love about these crochet hooks. These are the Amour crochet hooks. They have a soft handle, so it's not too hard, and there's this flat area where you can hold with your thumb. So then I hook the yarn with my finger, and then my 3 fingers go into the back of the crochet hook, and then my thumb goes to stabilize. And then I just crochet. And to me, I don't have much motion in my wrist doing this. Also, I don't have something hard that I'm pressing with my thumb on the crochet hook. So you don't want to apply a lot of pressure with your thumb because that puts too much pressure onto the base or the flat portion of your thumb. So I loosely hold it as I crochet. There's no reason why you have to put pressure with your hand. So you just loosely hold it and just glide with your hook as you crochet. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of motion with my wrist. So I know there's some people that say, oh, you know, you get the overuse syndrome and that kind of stuff, but I don't really have that problem. And I don't have any pain. Not to say that I won't ever have pain, but I don't have pain. I've been crocheting for years with this method without any difficulties. So if you like the way that I crochet, this is how I crochet. And I just wanted to show you how I hold my hands as I crochet.